why spend money on online courses for coding when there is so much to learn for free? Well, we have already said hello to ChatGPT, the cool new thing on the internet and the market, and it's viral. So it's not just a tool, we all know it's like talking to a really smart buddy who is always ready to help. And I think that I don't need to tell more about what ChatGPT is and how we can use it, because we all know about it, and I think that you guys have already explored a lot. So since people went wild for it from the start only. So ChatGPT can do a bunch of stuff. We all know, like if you need help for making resume look better, or you need to write a cover letter, you need to learn some coding languages, you need to go for roadmaps. So it got you covered. So if you want to make your learning experience super easy and fun, then ChatGPT can do that. Personally, I have used ChatGPT to learn programming, to learn various when I am stuck in various places. I just go and ask ChatGPT that I am stuck in this place. Can you help me with something? It gives me the answers, and it's the best way to learn. Why using ChatGPT is helpful? Instance assistance. Of course, ChatGPT provides you instant access to information, helping coders quickly look up to syntax, algorithm, troubleshooting tips. So without any much effort, you don't have to go to lengthy documents. You will get everything within the prompt. Second thing, code review and feedback. So coders can utilize ChatGPT to review their code snippets, refactor their code, optimize their code in a better way, brainstorm solutions to tricky problems if you get. So it is like a pair programming sort of thing. You are working with a computer and getting an alternative approaches from them. And the third thing, which is like resources. So ChatGPT serves learning resources like explaining complex coding topics in a in a simplified manner, basically, and gives you example if you want. And if you are like to understand in various language like Hindi, English, Marathi, any language, it can give you answer. It can also recommend learning materials to tailor individuals' needs and skill level. So according to yourself, you can edit your prompt. You can write that I'm a beginner in this particular field and I want to learn more. I'm advanced person. So according to you, it will give you an answer. So this is why it is very helpful rather than any online courses maybe. So in this video, we'll be talking about how we can use ChatGPT in a better way, and so that we will get a right response. How we can write a prompt in a better way so that we can get a good roadmap about anything we are looking for, and it will help you to become an ace coder definitely. So let's get started. There are a few things which we need to keep in our mind while starting with writing a prompt. So सबसे पहले just put it like you are telling your story or asking ChatGPT to imagine कि ऐसा ऐसा कुछ है and you have to give answer like that. So example, I am putting this prompt which I have already prepared. It's like, imagine you are a student aspiring to learn coding and provide a comprehensive guide on the best resources, techniques, strategies. So about mastering coding skills. Okay, so this is how I have written a prompt because I want to learn coding. And in a journey, like in a very specific way, I want ChatGPT to tell me. So now if I will put this prompt, then ChatGPT will give me line by line answer. So it will give me pointers how you should go ahead. You have to choose the right language, utilize online resources, practice regularly. So this is like a small roadmap on how I can learn coding and what are the things I need to keep in mind, like code review, refactoring, optimizing codes, and then in the end conclusion. So this will be like a 10 pointers for you to learn coding in a better way. So this is how you have to learn, you have to write prompts. We need to think about how we can write a prompt, first of all. Okay. Secondly, if once you have written the prompt, and now you have to know that how to learn a language. So maybe if you want to learn JavaScript, you can write, can you tell me a roadmap to learn JavaScript as a beginner. So maybe I'm a beginner and I want to learn JavaScript. So now ChatGPT will give me the roadmap as a beginner. Like if I will tell I'm an advanced developer, then it will give me the roadmap of advanced developer. But now since I'm asking it for a beginner level, it is giving me a beginner level prompt, as you can see. Now let me change it. And now let me ask ChatGPT about the advanced level code. Okay. So when I will put this as a prompt, here you can see now we are getting a little advanced topics, right? So here, since I've mentioned beginner, it told me about DOM manipulation, it told me about asynchronous JavaScript and everything, and how to learn Node.js. And here, as I have mentioned advanced, I've just changed one word, and it has given me a different roadmap, a totally different roadmap. So you need to know like where you are right now, and according to yourself, you have to write a prompt. Now, maybe I have learned JavaScript and I'm practicing JavaScript. So while practicing JavaScript, I let me tell you, like I will write maybe a JavaScript function to calculate the factorial. Okay. I will ask. Now it will give me the function to write a factorial for a given number in JavaScript. Now it will tell me 3 lines of explanation. But if I will ask it that please tell me a function to calculate factorial with a proper explanation, then it will give you a proper explanation as well. Now you can see here, you will get each and every line explanation, like base case, recursive case, what all these things they have used. And if you can also mention it like very clearly, he explained me each and every line. Each line explanation. Okay. Now it's gonna tell me the explanation of each and every line, like line by line explanation it will give me. So as you can see, it is giving me each line explanation and why we have used this closing bracket. It is also telling me why we are using the closing bracket. Okay, so this is how you should write prompt. Next, if I want to copy this, maybe this function. Okay, I'll copy this code. Now I will maybe remove this. Okay, and now I will ask ChatGPT that can you identify the mistake, the problem in this code. So maybe if you are writing a code and you are missing something in your code, you can simply go and ask JavaScript, you can simply go and ask ChatGPT what is the problem here. So now it will tell you that I am missing this return statement. And why I am missing this, it will also tell you that to fix the issue, the else block should contain the return statement that multiplies n by the factorial of n minus 1. So yeah, this is how you can utilize ChatGPT in writing a code. Now with the same code, okay, let me copy the same code again. And I will ask ChatGPT to optimize it and refactor it. So here it will optimize it and it will tell you techniques. Say we need a simple HTML or CSS website we are creating. So we can write like header should be hello world. Always write in inverted comma such things. And color should be blue. Its color should be blue. And keep it in the center. Okay. So now let's see the magic. We will be getting everything we have asked for. So if we would have asked for to write a paragraph, if you would have asked for writing something else, maybe putting a card in our website or anything, so it will give me the code as I require. The only thing which is important here is in which way you are writing a prompt, in which way you are asking ChatGPT to give you the answer. So the best thing I have as of now I have learned is like getting a good roadmap about learning anything or doing anything in my life. Like if I want to get up early and just want a good timetable, I ask that, hey ChatGPT, can you just tell me a roadmap or my daily routine or a Sunday healthy routine. Okay, so it will give me that answer, which is like morning you can do this, evening you can do this, midday you can do this, as you can see. So it's up to you like how you want to use ChatGPT. So yeah, that's all about today's video and thank you so much for watching. And I hope that आपको थोड़ा सा idea मिल गया होगा like how we can write prompt and how I have written the prompt to get answers in a better way if it comes to roadmap or resources or anything. Whenever I want to search, I just do that and it really helps me a lot. And it will definitely help you if you have a good way to write prompt. So yeah, that's that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching this video. Like, share and subscribe. Bye bye.